It's popcorn or nano banana. Which one's better? You might be shocked by the results. Since everything's built into one slick platform with an easy to use interface, Higgsfield AI makes creative work way faster and way simpler. First, we are going to start by creating storyboards out of random images. So here on Higgsfield AI website, you can find the popcorn option under image menu or at the top among the main menus. You can go auto or to manual option. Let me first go with the manual option. We got a couple of more options here. First, to upload photos for reference and the prompts for the scenes. Here I have basically three images which I will connect with a story. A couple walking, a pathway with an old structure, and a vintage car. I will now create 4 scenes for the storyboard. You can use the Assist option which has built-in ChatGPT to create prompts, by the way. Here the story has some horror elements. Pasting the prompt for the first scene. You can notice the ambience of the scene clearly explained with lighting conditions too. Tense atmosphere present. It explains what image would be assigned to this scene. The other 3 prompts pasted here with the last scene conclusion to the storyboard. The aspect ratio here will go for landscape 16:9 for a cinematic look. You can actually get 25 free credits per day. Generating now. We got the 4 scenes for the storyboard now with a dreary look like a horror movie. Next, I'm going to turn them to a video. Basically gives you an idea on how it will look before you even start shooting. So in the options, I just need to choose animate. We are now in the video tab. Here I'm going to paste the same prompt for this particular scene. Here we have multiple model options to choose, from Higgsfield AI to Sora 2 to Google Veo 3.1 to Van. For this, I'm going to choose Sora 2 Pro Max with 16:9 aspect ratio again for the video. Click generate to start processing the videos. Couple of minutes wait and you get this. After each scene is generated, you get the full video storyboard with continuous scenes. This is a great way to get an idea on how movies could look before you even try filming. It gets more easier with auto mode. For example, here I have portraits of 2 persons uploaded for reference. I will just paste the prompt describing the vibe of the scenes, basically a Mad Max world with a bit of action. I have the storyboard ready within a couple of minutes. In case you are not okay with the look and want a different style, just type what look you want to go for. For example, here going for the Blade Runner look like neon lights added, and here you get within seconds. You can animate these and preview them if you want to go for a trial run. Not only this, with reference models, you can do a lot with it and works a lot better than only using Nano Banana. Here's one example on how I created basically marketing photos of a coffee brand all in Higgsfield AI. First, I went to image menu and choosing create image here. Here, choosing the default Higgsfield Soul option. You can try other models if you want. So here keying what I want. Create an attractive logo for a coffee brand, Chroma Coffee. Choosing the square option for the logo here. Making sure to remove these presets. Choosing the general option here. I had already chosen number of outputs to be 2. So here I got 2 beautiful logos to choose. I am good to go with the first one here. We'll download it first. Then coming to popcorn menu, I'm going to add this as a reference image. I will also add an image of a blank cup as a second image. Now I will just type a prompt to place the logo on the empty cup with reference to the image number in the prompt. Here are the 4 results to choose. The logos on the cups look embedded, looks 3-dimensional too. Each image has some subtle differences. I'll choose one of these. I can download and save this, or I can even use this as a reference from the menu itself. So now with the logo on the cup ready and uploaded as a reference, I'm gonna choose a photo of a model for marketing. With these two uploaded, prompting it to make the lady hold the cup in different restaurants in Paris. Here are them with different poses and lighting with the logo on the cup. This is how easy it is to create your own marketing photos. It can also do a lot of simple things and it is made easy. I have this photo of a man just standing. What if I want to pose him making a karate move? Just adding a simple prompt here to change his pose. Here you get him in a fighting position. It's that easy. You can also refer other images too. Like here is an image of a lady meditating. I will just refer this image's pose to the first image. And you get this. Looks natural enough. The bland look, especially the colors because of the climate, I guess. I referenced to copy this image which is color graded quite well to color grade the bland image. One simple prompt is enough to make the image pop, and you don't even need Lightroom presets for this. I have this image of a lady sitting with good lighting. What if I want to change the lighting to something like the one on this? Another simple prompt to copy the lighting, and it gives this result. Now I have these two images. What's the main difference here? It's the hair, and that is what I want to try copying to the first image. This is the prompt I keyed, though you can use any prompt which is understandable. Here's the result. You just need a random idea to make this work, and Higgsfield popcorn works really good for almost anything.